Practical number 2. Rotation speeds. The objective of this practical is to determine the influence of the frequency on the performance of a pump. For this, the laboratory is equipped with a hydraulic bench with the following basic elements. To develop this practical, it will only be necessary to use the pump number 2. The main components of the hydraulic bench are the following: rotation speed digital indicator, wattmeter of the centrifugal pump, Bourdon type manometer vacuum gauge, frequency, flow rate regulation valve, and dynamometer. Through this dynamometer, we will be able to obtain the needed information to calculate the torque transmitted by the engine of the pump, since this pump is installed on a rocket arm. Therefore, for each point that we are going to measure, we will have to balance these two levels in order to be able to determine the force exerted by the shaft of the pump. Let's do a demo. At zero flow rate, we have a vacuum pressure in the suction and around 23.5 meters of water column at impulsion. We can observe that the frequency is 50 Hz, and under these conditions, the power consumed is around 500 watts. The speed at which the pump rotates under these conditions is 2,965 revolutions per minute. It can be observed that when the flow regulation valve is closed, there is no water being pumped. And when the pump flow is zero, if we establish the equilibrium position with the dynamometer, there we have, the force exerted is about 1,100 grams. In this way, it is possible to determine everything that is required for the execution of this practical.